You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this ingredient, based on soy. Let's look at the English pronunciation. If you want to learn more cooking terms, food names, stay tuned to the channel. Tofu is how it is pronounced in English. To-fu. Tofu. It's easy. Tofu. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.